what you can expect real estate to do. So Stephen, let's kind of kick off here. You know, it's interesting, the last several years in the game of real estate, the rates haven't moved a whole lot. The opportunity has certainly stabilized. For us, it's like a dream real estate market. What do you see happening in 2018 with all the thousands of deals that our acquisition company has done?
Absolutely. You know, I look at 2018 and looking back over the last 10 years that we've been doing this, I see, and I don't have a crystal ball, but I believe that 2018 will produce a lot of what we saw last year. There's going to be your typical steady growth in the markets that we're in. We're going to see a lot of safety, a lot of those huge margins of safety that we've been talking about. We're going to see a lot more of that. We've got a very steady economy right now. For the next several years, I believe we're going to see steady growth in the economy as well. Steady growth in the economy is usually right along the lines of steady growth in real estate as well. And so I believe 2018 is going to produce a lot of what 2017 produced.
Let's talk more about the U.S. economy and the outlook for business in 2018. Tom Donahue is the president and CEO of U.S. Chamber of Commerce. He will deliver his annual State of American Business address tomorrow. Tom, thanks for being here.
I'm glad to be back.
What is the state of American business tonight?
It's a lot better than it was a year ago when we talked about this. We have had 2 quarters of more than 3% growth. That, in my opinion, was based on some confidence that the tax bill was moving forward and a review of the extraordinary improvement that we've made in reducing some of the explosion of regulation on American business during the last administration. I think we're getting more of a balance. I think we have a positive look forward. Now what we have to do is make sure we don't louse it up.